What is he doing? Trenching. He's making a trench, isn't he? That's a really deep hole. Are you going to cover up the big hole after they lay the wire down with your excavator? You're going to use your excavator to put the dirt over top of it? Yeah, that's going to be a lot of fun. That's a lot of dirt. This is a walk-behind trencher. It uses a chain blade, sort of like a chainsaw blade. The blade has several rotating teeth that will cut deep into the ground. Trenchers are used for many things. Today we are using the trencher to dig a trench to lay electrical wires. After the wires are laid, Rhett will use his excavator to cover the wires with the extra dirt. This trench is around 18 to 20 inches deep. The walk-behind trenchers used today can dig between 12 and 48 inches deep. That is a deep hole, isn't it? That trencher did a good job. Look how deep that hole goes. All the way to the house. I know. They laid the electrical wire. Now Rhett's gonna hop on his excavator and fill in the hole with all the extra dirt. There you go. That's a deep trench. Good job. You have a lot of work to do. That's a big hole. Good job, buddy. You got a lot of big rocks down there you can pick up too, Rhett. You can fill up the hole with those big rocks. Are you working the boom and the bucket? Good job. All right, let's fill up the hole, bud. Here we go. You almost got it. That is a heavy load. Then dump it. Good job. Way to go, buddy. How many more loads? Are you packing in the dirt?
Oh.
I think you have a big rock. All right, this is the last scoop and then you'll be finished. Way to go, bud. Now look at that big trench. It's all filled in. Your excavator did a great job. Good job, Rhett. You and your excavator make a great team. Can you say bye-bye?
No.
Can you wave with your excavator? Bye-bye. Thanks for joining us today as we explored a walk-behind trencher. Hit like and subscribe so you don't miss out on more learning and fun.